This exercise is called How Would You Treat a Friend? And I'll be walking you through each step. It's a writing exercise, so be sure to pull up the corresponding section in the Word document that's associated with this workshop. Imagine a close friend is feeling really bad about themselves or is struggling in some way. How would you respond to your friend in this situation? Write down what you typically do, what you say, and note the tone in which you typically talk to your friends when they're struggling. Pause now and resume the video when you're finished writing. Now, think about times when you feel bad about yourself or are struggling in some way. How do you typically respond to yourself in these situations? Write down what you typically do, what you say, and note the tone in which you talk to yourself. Pause now and resume the video when you're finished writing. So, did you notice a difference? If so, ask yourself why. What factors or fears come into play that lead you to treat yourself and others so differently? Pause now and resume when you're done writing. In the final section of this exercise, write down how you think things might change if you responded to yourself in the same way you typically respond to a close friend when you're suffering.